Data released overnight showed US inflation surged to a 40-year high after notching up an extraordinary 7% rise in December. It's the fastest rise in consumer prices since the end of the Great Inflation of the 70s and early 80s. As you can see here, after a quick dip at the beginning of COVID, consumer prices have far surpassed the trend. Interestingly, used cars are playing an extraordinarily large role in measured inflation, accounting for around 15% of the increase. The data puts the US Central Bank firmly on the path of an interest rate hike in March, and that was all but confirmed by two of the Fed's board members in interviews overnight. Now, in days gone by, the whiff of a rate hike would send markets tumbling, but this is all so expected now that markets rose. The ASX followed and had a good day thanks to a big jump in commodity prices overnight, which pushed up miners. And Crown shares leapt after US private equity firm Blackstone lobbed in another offer for the troubled casino. It's raised its November price of $12.50 to $13.10 per share. Now, Crown's board has given the offer a conditional tick of approval, but a lot depends on whether James Packer, who still owns 37%, agrees to it. Iron ore rose to a 3-month high overnight, while another drop in US oil supplies saw prices jump. And the Aussie dollar has climbed to the high 72s. Finally, before the pandemic, cryptos showed little correlation with stock market movements, but the IMF says that has now all changed, meaning cryptos are no longer a hedge and will exacerbate any big market moves, proving the counterculture always ends up mainstream. The kids will have to come up with something new. That's finance.